All right, so here we are with our user management script. We're going to start with the user manager, and in order to get to this admin page, you have to be an admin. And I'm currently logged in as an admin. I'm not going to show that piece, but what we're going to go through is we're going to go through examples of how we search and find people, and how useful for quickly locating users in a large database is this search methodology that we have, which is case insensitive. And then we'll look at the code that handles that particular element. So let's go to our page and start navigating. So we have our user management, and we also have our content management page. And if we go to the content management page, let's click on the content management page, and you can see we see the list of all our users in the application. And we are using Pagination, and we only have 10 users, but there are a total of 17. So you quickly can see how the application is working. And the good things about this is that you have all this functionality. Let's start by let's go back to the admin page. Just back to the admin. Let's open on the admin page, and as you can see, that's the admin page, and we have all the users again. And here's where we can search for any user. Let's start from the last name, and it's again case insensitive. Let's try ME, and that's our that's a search capability. And again, so you search, you clear the search, and once you clear the search, you get all the total users back. And we can edit. Let's do edit. As you can see, we can edit a user, and let's change here and submit the changes, and let's see what happens. So we have the confirm the updates. So we wanted to confirm the update. We'll click confirm, and here we have the updated user. So let's go back to the admin page and the content management page. Again, the same. You have search capability, you have select all capability, and the clear capability. And again, it's using pages, 10 pages per display. You can do 20. Obviously, we don't have 20, but you only have a total of 17 for the time being. Okay, so and you can do 5 as well. There you have 5. So let's go back to the code, and this is the code that handles that particular piece. And so you can see we have the let's scroll to make it more readable. This is what we do, the filtering of the elements. And as you can see, our case insensitive searches right here. That's what we implement, and this is our search stay with the debounce capability as well. As you can see, this is they calculate the user stats, and this is our front end displays. Right here is the front end display, right, where we do the first name, the last name. And this is the actual backend pagination logic right here. This is our logic that makes that pagination possible. Okay, so let's move on. Let's go back to our application again, and let's go back and click on the admin functionality again. So and we can, let's delete, this time let's delete a user. And as you can see, once we delete a user, all his data should be deleted as well, meaning we have 4 collections: the user, the session, the post, and the comments. And So when we delete a user, all his posts and comments should be deleted from the database. There shouldn't be any orphan records. So let's delete Michael since it's the last user we added. So we're gonna confirm. Now Michael is deleted, and as you can see, his posts are gone as well. So Michael is no longer in the list. So all his posts, all his comments, everything in between is being deleted from our from the database. So that's that way we guarantee we don't have any orphan record. So let's go back to our code page and interrogate the actual code that handles that particular feature. So here we have our backend update user functionality. So this is check if the user is updating their own profile or if it is an admin, and you can only update your own profile. This is where we build the update object, the first name, the last name, email, all the attributes that, all the collections for that particular table or collection. Check if the email is being changed and if it is already taken. So we have a lot of functionality built in. And here's the message: user updated successfully. That you just seen it before doing the demo. And this is the delete, especially the check if the user is deleting their own account or is an admin account. And this is the Cascade Delete that I mentioned before. This is what we take care of, ensuring that once a user is deleted from the database, all his records are deleted from the post and the comment collections or tables in the MongoDB database. Okay, so let's see what else we can do. Let's go back to our browser, and I'm not going to demo anything else other than just these admin pages, since that's what we added since the last Module 9 demo. So that's pretty much it, and hope you enjoy it, and see you in the next module, Module 11, and hope you have a fantastic weekend. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. This is presentation of Module 10. Module 10 is a continuation of Module 9, and this is where we add the admin dashboard. Today, I will demonstrate two powerful administrative tools that give you complete control over the media platform that we created. Number one is the user manager, which is a comprehensive user administration, and the content manager is a full content moderation capabilities. These features are part of our Module 10 implementation, built with modern web technologies and using the best practices. So the same functionality can be run from the command line. Everything that we just tested can be run from the command line. Let's try to do that. And again, this is going to be a live session since I don't record anything. So if it doesn't run, be patient and bear with me for a moment. This is a shell script that is going to run the same testing that we just done it, okay? But from the command line using curl methodology. Let's see. Okay, so let's enter authenticate. We have to authenticate the users, checking if the service is running. The service is running, testing user management and content management features. This is going to do all the testing in one script. So we're gonna use the admin credentials. We only have one admin credential so far. So give me a sec. I have to pull that from the database because I don't always remember. Okay, there we go. That's the so we have one admin credential. We're gonna enter the email for that admin credential, and a smoke tester. That's our admin guy that has all the power to run everything, and we're gonna enter the password. And I do remember the password, I hope so. There you go. So perfect. Now, it's the same, again, the same test. It's just running through the command line. We can enter first name to search, and if we enter, let me go back up and see, you can see that everything is being posted, all the postings and everything. So let's search for the same search we've done before for Leo Messi, and we're gonna type Leo, and then we're gonna hit enter, and hopefully that's gonna come up with Leo Messi as our user, right? Found one user matching Leo, right? We can search the same user by last name. Let's enter the last name. The last name is, let's see if it returns. There you go. So the same thing. Pagination is working. Page 1, limit 5 has more true. We can skip this because, oh, let's enter an ID. Let's find that ID. Okay, and let's see if we can do it with that ID. And if that works, perfect. So nice. Everything is working as expected. This is a great functionality, and this is actually is a great way of testing as well. Enter user ID to edit or presenter to skip. We can edit this user or we can skip. But the idea was just to show that there are, we can test this in many different ways, and the application works really well. Okay, thank you again. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.